Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To fix this error message, first of all close the Excel file which is giving you the error message, and then make a right click on the Excel file which is giving you the error message. Make a right click and then select properties. Now once you select properties, over here on the bottom you will find an option which says this file came from another computer and might be blocked. So you have to put a check on the box which says unblock. Put a check and then click on apply, then click on OK, and then open the Excel file. You should not receive the error message, but still you're facing the error message. In that case, open the Excel file which is giving you the error message, and then go to file, and then go to options, and then go to trust center, and then click on trust center settings, and then go to trusted locations, and then click on add a new location, and then click on browse. Now you have to go to the location where the file is saved. So wherever the Excel file is saved, you have to go to that location. In my case, this is saved to desktop. So select the location where your Excel file is saved, and then click on OK, and then put a check on the subfolders of this location are also trusted, and then click on OK, OK, OK. Now open the Excel file. You should not receive this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.